Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of OpenCV Python library on Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily import our OpenCV within our Python idle. So do watch the video till the end, and if you face any issues in middle you can always comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. And do also watch my other Python packages videos. So there I have already showed you how to install matplotlib, pandas, numpy, nltk, selenium, all of that already on my previous videos. So do also watch those playlists where I have showed you how to install some of the very popular Python packages. So that link I'm going to put right in our description. Now to install any packages, first thing that you need to have is Python. So in my previous videos, I have showed you how to install Python. So this python.org/download link, I'm going to put right in our description. So you can directly use that link to land over to the official site of Python. And once you are here, click on this download button and install our Python. So you can also follow my video. I'm going to provide that link also in the description. So once you have Python installed, you can minimize your browser and to go to your search and to just simply type over here cmd and open our command prompt. So on our command prompt, if you just simply type python space -- version and hit enter, you can see that our latest version of Python version 3.12.2 is already been installed. So once you see that Python is installed successfully, it's time to check our pip version. So just simply type py space -m, then pip, then space -- version and hit enter, and immediately you can see that our pip version 24.0 is rightly shown. So at the time of making of this video, this is the latest version. I am going to also show you how you can easily upgrade your pip. So to upgrade your pip, you need to just simply type python.exe and then space, then -m, then again space, then pip, then install, then again space -- upgrade, then space, then pip and hit enter, and you can see that our requirement is already satisfied. So the latest version pip of 24 is already been installed on our system, so it's nothing there to upgrade. Maybe your time when you are installing these Python packages, you might require to upgrade your pip. So it is very important to upgrade your pip. So always run this command. So once our pip gets upgraded, let's clear everything from our console. So just simply type cls and hit enter, and now we're good to go to install any Python package. And now I'm going to show you how to install OpenCV. So for that, you need to just simply type pip install OpenCV -python and hit enter, and immediately you'll be seeing that it is rightly started collecting our files and then installing it locally on your system. So you need to have active internet connection right throughout this installation, and it's going to fetch some of the files from internet and then going to install it. And here you can see it is successfully installed our OpenCV, which is version 4.9.0. Alright, so now let's quickly jump over to our Python idle shell. So just simply type idle over here. Will show you idle. Open our Python idle shell, and here if you just simply type like import cv2 and hit enter, you can see that it is successfully imported right onto our Python idle shell. So if you see this similar type of prompt and it do not shows any error, then all that basically mean is it has successfully installed our OpenCV Python package. Alright, so that's basically all about this video. I have started Geeky Syntax channel, so here regularly I am posting coding related videos, so please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel. And also I have started Geeky Script vlogging channel, so if you're interested you can also subscribe our vlogging channel as well. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.